Yes, first of all, welcome everyone to Learn to Trade 365. So, in this video, I will be discussing about price action. So, first of all, I have just posted a tweet regarding to share more free knowledgeable content regarding price action. But in terms of price action, it is a very much bigger, huge topic. So, what I have planned is to make sure to do this price action in a form of a series of videos. Let's say probably I'm planning to do it 6 to 10 videos. It might be more than that. Okay, so today in terms of price action, I will use a simple chart. First of all, we will make sure to understand price action foundation with naked simple candlestick chart. Secondary, I will make sure to try to share how to understand the attempt from traders. When I speak attempt from traders in bigger time frame, so when it comes to traders, there are only two players in the market, that is buyers and sellers. Okay, if buyers are aggressive, the price will move up aggressively. If sellers are aggressive, price will move down aggressively. If both are fighting, price will be in more into a sideways territory. There is only three options in the market. Okay, you can use any indicator or a simple chart. These are the only three options in the market. So I will make sure to try to share a knowledgeable content regarding understanding the attempt from traders in bigger time frame. Number three, once we are understanding the attempt in bigger time frame, how come we can make use in a smaller time frame by using a different time frame approach. This is a video which probably this is the first video, so make sure to watch it fully without skipping so that you can learn something new. So first of all, in terms of a basic ground rule, when it comes to price action trading, in an uptrending market, we're gonna see higher lows, higher high formation, higher lows, higher high formation. This is very common and very basic. Okay, and in terms of bear market or a downtrending market, we're gonna see lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. This is very common, very basic, which everyone understands. But important here to understand the price action or to understand the attempt from the traders in this zone, in between the zone when this higher high and higher low is being formed, this area, how the traders are reacting, that will play a major role in creating, I'm telling you, that will play a major role in creating this higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. Same applies, lower highs, lower low, in between this zone, the behavior in between this zone, sorry, the behavior in between this zone will decide on downside when it comes to upside. That is what we're gonna look at closely. First of all, in a daily time frame, you may be an intraday trader, swing trader, positional trader, whatever may be your trading style, but if you are skipping daily time frame without looking daily time frame, then there is something a problem which you need to understand it. So in terms of this one stock, let's take stock of Bajaj Finance, which has given a fantastic move in this bull market. So first of all, let's try to understand the approach. Okay, what I have told already is this is a sorry, this is an uptrending stock. We are just now very important focusing on this zone. Many traders avoid especially the zones like this. We need to understand in between this zone what is the real behavior from the buyers. If they are really forming an higher lows and higher high kind of scenario, we need to closely look. Let's take this example, Bajaj Finance. If you closely monitor, this was the stock which was just slowly steadily shooting price up. We are getting an higher lows, higher low kind of somewhere, one more higher low here and higher low here, and parallelly higher high, higher high formation somewhere, higher high formation here. But as we also speaking, in between this zone, these are the zones which we need to check few things. Okay, few things, how the buyers or how the bullish behavior which is more dominating or not taking much control. If you need to closely look, always a basic candlesticks which shows a bullish sign is an what we called it as a bullish engulfing candle. There might be a 2 3 red candles coming here somewhere. This is which is this candle. Let's assume this candle as a red, continuously red candles, which is being engulfed clearly by a bullish candle on a daily time frame. This same approach I personally use in different time frame, also smaller time frame, but I'm speaking on a broader base because this is the first video. I'm speaking on a daily time frame. Same thing I'm just applying here in this places where the price was consolidating. If we closely look from one by one, let's start with one by one. I'm just let me zoom it and show you this. This was an first attempt where the sellers trying to push the price down. Look at the time span which is getting from sellers. 2, 4, 6, 8 trading session to push the price from this point to till here. But closely look at about this pressure in pushing the price up. In just a span of 2 days, price back to the same point with rise in volumes. So this is the first time the attempt is being made in this sideways option from the buyers. Number one, right here, look at this. After this up move, price made a gap down opening and trying to push down. Just one single trading session, everything got engulfed from the buyers. So second successful attempt from the buyers. Let me speak, sir. There might be a question, sir. Price is engulfing, then why the stock is not moving up? I will let you know that criteria which I personally follow in a smaller time frame. Okay. So here closely look at this. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 trading, 10 to 11 trading session. It has taken from the stock to come to this point till here. Now look at the engulfing which is happening, and in just span of 4 to 5 trading session from this point price back to the same point from which the fall came. So again a sign of an engulfing which is trying to come. Again the third time buyers are coming into the picture trying to dominate. Closely look at number 4 time, 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 trading session, just 2 days. Price back to the same point. One more attempt here. So multiple time buyers are engulfing the sellers. Multiple time buyers are simply easily engulfing the sellers. Now the question comes here is formation of higher low. Yes, definitely formation of higher low. Formation of higher high, yes. Higher high formation. Now, how can we understand when this three earlier attempt which has engulfed by the buyers but price aggressively has not went up? Why only at this point price has went up? For that we can't be dependent only on a single time frame. Let's go into a shorter time frame on a 30-minute. First day I will let you know at this point what happened. This is one more time which is engulfing. After that, this is somewhere the date which is around 16th of August. Now on a 30-minute time frame, let me open a 30-minute typical time frame and go back to the same 16th. Yes, somewhere here. Okay, so this is 16th. So this is 16th low and 16th high somewhere here. Now look at whenever a stock, it can be a stock or index, which from my experience I'm telling you, from a sideways overlapping mode to a trending mode on a shorter time frame, if it is getting converted, always, let's say this is previous day's range. Okay, if price is coming to the previous day's range, it will reject back and form an higher range. If and the higher formation range will continue when comparing to the previous day. Same thing happened here. This is previous day's range. Next day price came into this range, rejected. So the range, this is the low and this is the high. Next day closely look at, price was trading outside this range throughout the day. So the range is shifting higher. Next trading session price came back to the previous day's range but ultimately got rejected, closed somewhere here. So the range same way applies. Next trading session high and low. Next trading session high and low. Now I will mark only the high and low of the sessions. Just closely look at. I'm just only marking high and low of the series of sessions. Okay. So now closely look at, this is previous day's range. Price came here, rejected. So range is shifting higher. This next day's range is shifting higher. Here price came back to the previous day's range, but ultimately compared to this trading session, range shifted higher. Next trading session shifting higher. It goes on shifting higher and higher. Now price can't move in a straight line. It has to pause, take a breath, a small breathe or small relaxation has to be there, because price can't move in a straight line like 1 2 3 4 5 continuous 6 trading session, price is shooting up. Okay. Now it has to take a pause. I mean, 6 trading session price is shooting up means somewhere around from the price of 6,200 to 7,800 points. So this 800 points is more than greater than 10% move in just 6 trading session. So now price is taking a pause. Look at closely for next, let's say 1 2 3 trading session, price is taking a pause. Again look at this. The range is shifting higher. Range is shifting higher. Range is shifting higher. The move is continuing. So these are the immediate hint which we are getting, that shorting is definitely not an option, which we have got it from a daily time frame. Okay, in a daily time frame perspective, shorting is not an option. This is how you need to closely understand, one of the simplest way on a bigger time frame to understand how the players, how the big players are positioning themselves to give this trending. So somewhere here price till this point to till here somewhere 5,250 to 6,500. How much time it has taken from the month of May till almost mid of August? More than three and a half months. Just how much point? 1,250 points. Here from this point 6,500 to 7,500. How many trading session? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 to 10. 10 days, just 10 trading session. Here 3.5 months. This took 10 trading session. In this 3.5 months, probably you would have got almost more than 60-65 trading session on an approx. If there was some holidays, whatever, 60-65 trading session. This is how. This is why I am closely telling you, which I personally follow. Look at this, the zone behavior at this zone, so that you can be more comfortable on the direction of bullishness. You can make sure to participate in this kind of a bigger rally. I'm not telling, or I'm not speaking here we should buy at low and sell at high. That is next to impossible. Okay, you can ride it but not exactly low and high. That is not possible. That is possible only when some dreams or some fake players are just trying to loot you. They will tell we can buy here and sell here. That's not possible, practically speaking. Every time that is not possible. Sometime in some cases possible, but not every time. Okay, this is just a beginning from my end to make sure to understand price action. This is just a, let's say, first video to not make it more depth and more breadth. I'm just trying to make sure to share one of the simplest concepts. So make sure to continuously supporting me. Stay connected with me on Twitter, Telegram, and make sure to watch this video fully and make sure to click on the like button, and as usual subscribe and turn on your bell icon. Make sure to support me continuously so that I can happily continuously do more and more and more and more